everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get a lot of puppies, PA weather, and you get some life in there. I'm Laura if you're new. I do have furry sidekicks that hang out with me. I think Dexter and Willie are causing trouble back there. Loki, he's the white dog, he's hiding. This is Willie. Willie likes the most attention. He's the most needy of them all. He's my son's dog. All right, so for today, I have stuff to do around the house. This is a travel week, so I got to organize myself. I am kicking off with a very relaxed outfit. I have on Pistola denim. I have on a Ever Eve top. And for shoes, how about these? Little black Mark Fishers. And for jewelry, I just have on hoop earrings. That's how I'm kicking off the week. All right, so we're going to get busy. We have a video to film and some organizing to do. So we'll see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. The rain stopped long enough for me to come out here and get outfit of the day in. All the puppers are here. Willie, Dexter's checking out at the top of the steps there, looking around, and Loki has decided that my little Otterman here is his place to roost. It is a gorgeous day outside, 73 getting up to 80 today, and my Stitch Fix posted. So it was a really good fix. It really was. I enjoyed it. I ended up, in fact, I'm wearing 2 of the pieces because I had to get ready this morning and knew I was going to be sharing this box with you. So I grabbed 2 pieces out of the box. I think it was called Gateland, something like that top. And then the cut from the cloth denim. I have on shoes you've seen before, Dolce Vita. Got these in a Trendsend a couple years ago. And then for jewelry, I just have on a necklace from Goriana. This has all my charms on it. Got this from Trendsend. And then my bracelet stack. I have hoop earrings on. I got from Rocksbox once upon a time. And that's my outfit today. All right. We got to get back to work. Hope your week's going awesome. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. Time for outfit of the day. First thing in the morning. And let's see, it's 5 a.m. so I gotta go. Just Loki got up with me today and it's gonna be a nice day. Of course, I'll be inside all day, so it'll be absolutely beautiful out. 59 right now, getting up to 82, all sun today and tomorrow, huh? When I get back, the rain comes, doesn't it? And you can't see him. Look how cute he is. He's such a cutie patootie, aren't you? Yeah. And for my outfit today, as I head into the office, I have on a skirt. My skirt and my sweater are both from Front Door Fashion. You may remember them. So the skirt is Kane. The top is Nick and Zoe. Paired it with a gold belt and shoes that I got in a Trendsend. These are from Dolce Vita, like the little gold grommets there. And then my bracelet stack, my Louis necklace, a small hoop. I'm off. Whew. All right, I hope everyone's doing fabulous. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday and time for outfit of the day. It is 64 degrees outside, getting up to 83 today. It's around 6:30 in the morning. And let's see, for my outfit, I did one and done. I only brought dresses on this trip, and I always bring a backup. This one is from Loft. It's a little denim dress you may remember from my last haul. Paired it with, of course, Dolce Vita sandals. These I got in a Trendsend. And then I have the exact same jewelry on as I did yesterday. My bracelet stack, my Louis necklace, my little hoops. And I think I'm ready for my day. All right, I am really tired for some reason. You know, the last couple nights I've not slept well, so this is gonna feel like a forever kind of day. But at least it'll be beautiful outside, and I will catch you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is Beautiful outside, really hot, 84, getting up to 89, all sun. The sky's blue. It's really pretty out here. I am working today, so unfortunately I'm not out here in it, but it's a very, very pretty day. Let's see. I think I have some things to catch you up on. So I do need to catch you up on my Stitch Fix, and I'm trying to see if I'll remember everything I kept. I told you what I was wearing, so those two items I kept. I kept the leopard dress. I think I kept, and then I think the page denim was in there. I kept those, and the red tee, I believe it was. Those were the 5 items I kept. I did not keep the Petal and Pup dress. I didn't keep the Market and Spruce dress. And then there's one other item I would have returned. Oh, the vest, the high neck vest. I think I got it right. I'll double check in case I missed anything and try to go over that tomorrow. And let's see, for my outfit today, I have on, I swear every time I come out here, crazy noises happen. But I have on a pair of Daze denim shorts from a Wantable. I have on, or no, yes, from a Wantable. And this tank is by Michael Stars. It's from a Stitch Fix. I just have Snook flip-flops on that my son got me when he went to the beach because the dogs keep eating my flip-flops. And a bracelet that I got when we were in St. Thomas, and a necklace, and I lost a finger now, a necklace that I got, Curator. It's from Curator, and I think that's my outfit today. Yeah, I get my nails done tomorrow. I had to clean up after the dogs yesterday and broke a nail completely off. It happens. All right, the gang is all here. Willie's in the sun. He's very hot. You want to say hi, buddy? You're hot just being in that sun for a few minutes, aren't you? Look at him stretch it out. He immediately stretches it all out. Huh, you're such a good boy. Loki's playing with a toy, and Dexter is gotten off the deck doing something. I don't know what. I guess I better check on him. All right, I'll see you tomorrow for Friday. Hey everybody, it is Friday. Time for outfit of the day. The rain is coming. It is muggy outside. 82 getting up to 88. The boys are all here. And my Stitch Fix, I did tell you the right items. Those were the 5 that I kept. And for today's outfit, I did a Trendsend outfit. You may remember this. My stylist was so great. She sent me a full white outfit and she sent me a full black outfit. I have the full black outfit on today. So it is a Goldie denim shorts. Love. I did have to size up on these, so I exchanged them for one size up. I went an Ever Eve top. Loving this mesh on the top of the tank. So cute and elevated. It is by Ever Eve. The belt also came in my Trendsend. So all 3 pieces from my Trendsend. And then I paired it with my Mark Fisher black shoes, with just that little bit of gold. Love these. And a bracelet stack, of course. And my big hoops. And that is my outfit today. Do we have a Friday funny for you, Mr. One of you guys? I'm trying to think if I caught anything at all on film. I do have a cute one. So Dexter loves to just lay on top of I have like a chair and a half in our living room, so it's wide. It's wider than just a regular chair. And he likes to go on top of the cushions, which he has smushed completely down. Haven't you, buddy? He knows I'm talking about him. Completely smushed them down, and he sleeps on them and makes himself very, very comfortable. So I do have a little bit of video of that, so I'll share that with you of how he likes to reorganize my furniture to his benefit. He's a silly one. You're a silly one with a smooshy face, huh? With a smooshy face. He's so cute. And he likes to sit on Loki all the time, and for some reason Loki puts up with it, so I'll have to try to catch that one next time he does it. All right, that is a wrap for Friday. I'll see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday. I almost said Friday. It is Saturday. Time for final outfit of the day. I have some stuff here. I'm trying to get ready for my next video, and the dogs are very curious. Let's see, my front door fashion posted today. So this was like a quick turn collection because I had loved that blazer so much, and it had a marking in the back of it. So my stylist went like above and beyond. She repaired the jacket. It just had like a dark thread removed it, checked it all over, sent it back to me with some new pieces. And I kept this white top. I love the gauzy, lightweight white top. I kept the black tank. I kept the green pants. And then I kept the blazer, of course. Oh, they're getting so excited. Okay. Shh. Hey. They're having fun. I kept the blazer this time, and I kept the Maddie M dress. And then the skirt I did not keep because it was too big for me, but I did order the extra small. She couldn't replace it, like couldn't exchange it for me, but she did send me the link directly to the Maddie M site, and I was able to order the extra small from them. All right, those are my keepers. And for today's outfit, I have on a Cabi dress, Dolce Vita sandals you've seen before, my flats that are gold. I got in a Trendsend a few years ago. I put on my gold hoops, my Louis necklace, and that's my outfit. All right, and that is a wrap. That's a wrap on outfit of the day this week. So please share your favorite outfit. As always, I'll list them down below. If I can link directly tonight in my will, many come from boxes, so I'll let you know where I got them and put up all my links for you for discounts. Can't wait to hear what your favorites were. So please hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment below, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.